Welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn how to filter the data. To filter the data, you need to go to the data toolbar and you will see an option of filter. So to filter it, you will select the entire row and you will click on filter. In case if you want to filter furthermore, you can use these options. You can either select from the numbers that are present in this checkboxes. If you want to select any particular entities, you can click on those and select those, or you can also use a custom filters. So there are number of filters listed here. Say for example, if you want to filter some data using certain conditions, we can use this. So say for example, if I filter the data using equals, so I can put the condition as, since I am filtering the profit column, here it is showing as show row where profit. So if I want to filter out the profit wherever it is equal to 400 or the profit is equal to 1600. So in this case, the data gets filtered the profit of 400 or 600. Since we have applied the or condition, it has both the values 400 and 600. You can filter using many other options as well. So you can pick top 10 from these entities. So you can choose an option of top. Since we don't have 10 items, you can maybe select the top 2 items. So if I do that, you will see the top 2 items with the greatest profit. So, so these 2 items were the top one. So if we want to see any other filters, we can also go and select the between ranges. So the profit is between 800 to 1050. So this will filter out the two entities, product B and product D, with the ranges that we have provided. Thank you.